Are your sweet potatoes turning out dry, bland, and honestly kind of disappointing? A lot of people boil or steam them, but that can wash away the natural sweetness and leave the texture soft in the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy method that makes sweet potatoes soft, naturally sweet, and perfectly chewy every single time. Once you try it this way, you might never cook them the old way again. First, let's prepare the sweet potatoes the right way. Don't just give them a quick rinse under water and call it done. Place the sweet potatoes in a bowl of water, then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This helps loosen dirt and clean the skin much more effectively. If you don't have baking soda at home, you can use a little salt instead. Let them soak for about 5 minutes. After that, dry them really well with a towel. A dry surface is important for the next step, and it also helps the sweet potatoes cook better. Next, cut off both ends of the potato. This helps you check if the inside is fresh, and also allows steam to escape while it's cooking. After that, use a fork or a knife to make small holes around the potato. Just a few small holes. These tiny holes help the heat spread more evenly, so the potato cooks soft on the inside without drying out the skin. Now comes the important step, adding a thin layer of oil over the skin of each sweet potato. Use a paper towel to gently spread a little oil over the skin of each sweet potato. This helps lock in moisture while cooking, so the inside stays soft and tender. It also improves the texture of the skin and makes peeling much easier afterward. We're going to cook them in the air fryer. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for around 30 minutes. About halfway through, turn the sweet potatoes over. This helps them cook more evenly and brings out their natural sweetness even more. Now, look at the difference. The steamed sweet potato looks light in color and a little dry, but this one looks rich, glossy, and perfectly soft. The texture is much smoother and creamier, with a deeper natural sweetness in every bite. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a like and share it with someone who enjoys easy cooking hacks. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home DIY Tips, and follow my Facebook page, Home DIY Tips, for more simple and useful ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.